guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've had a few people ask me this week if they can do microneedling on themselves. So these are people without qualifications or experience. They've seen that so many devices are available online. Can I help them purchase it or give them advice in which to purchase it? No, I don't recommend it, and there's many reasons why, but here's three. Firstly, do you know what condition your skin is in currently? For example, if your skin is currently lacking something and it's not getting what it needs to be getting, then going into a microneedling procedure might not be the best idea. You're about to tell it to do certain tasks, and it might not be able to fulfill those tasks because it's currently not in a good condition, or it's lacking something sensitive, whatever the case may be. And that means that you're going to leave it in a worse state than what it was. So you're going to cause micro trauma and microinflammation on the skin, which it has to heal from, and it might not be able to heal from it properly. So that can cause lots of other problems: premature aging, pigmentation, scarring. So do you know that your skin is currently in a good enough condition to undergo this treatment? Then the second point is the depth that you're going to be needling at. It's always funny to me when people walk into our clinic and they say to us, what depths do you guys needle at? There's no one size fits all for skin, not at all. I've actually numerous times seen clients have a great papillary response to needling at 0.2 millimeters. And then I've had lots of other situations where clients are not even showing me any papillary response, needling at 1 millimeter. So there's no one size fits all. Also, to take into consideration, obviously this skin thickness is very different to this skin, is different to this skin, and that skin. So there's different depths that you're going to be needling at, also depending on the result that you want. I don't needle the same depth for pigmentation as I do for anti-aging. So there's variables that you need to take into consideration. So now you've just done your microneedling treatment. What now? You have caused controlled microtrauma and microinflammation on the skin, and now what? Now you can't just leave the skin in that condition and think that you can just carry on your normal regime. You can't. You have to put a stop to that microinflammation and trauma, specifically the inflammation. And unless you know exactly how to do that and how to take care of the skin now and what it needs in the next couple of hours or couple of days, again, you can actually do the opposite of what your intention was. Your intention was to better the condition of your current skin, to better your skin. And now you're going to be left in a situation where your skin is going to be worse off than it was to begin with. So for those three reasons, I strongly recommend that you don't try and do microneedling on yourself if you are not qualified or educated to do so.